Artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It is already transforming healthcare, finance, cybersecurity, manufacturing,
and retail.
In this video, you will learn 5 major industries where AI is actively used today and the real-world problems it solves in each one. By the end of this video, you will understand which industries rely heavily on AI, what problems AI is solving in those industries, real examples of AI applications used today, why these industries are investing billions in AI technology. Let's start with one of the most impactful sectors.
Healthcare is one of the fastest-growing areas for AI adoption. Doctors and hospitals generate enormous amounts of data every day: medical images, patient records, lab reports, and diagnostic data. AI systems help analyze this information faster and more accurately than traditional methods. Key AI applications in healthcare. 1. Medical imaging analysis. AI models analyze X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect diseases such as cancer, tumors, lung infections. This helps doctors identify problems earlier and with higher accuracy. 2. Drug discovery. Developing new medicine can take 10 to 15 years using traditional research. AI can analyze biological data and predict potential drug compounds much faster. Pharmaceutical companies now use AI to shorten drug development timelines. 3. Personalized treatment. AI systems analyze patient history, genetics, and lifestyle data to recommend personalized treatment plans. This improves outcomes and reduces unnecessary procedures. Because of these capabilities, AI is becoming a critical tool in modern healthcare systems.
The financial industry relies heavily on data analysis and risk prediction, which makes it a perfect environment for AI. Banks process millions of transactions every minute, and AI helps monitor these activities in real time. Key AI applications in finance. Fraud detection. AI systems analyze transaction patterns and instantly detect unusual behavior. For example, sudden large transactions, purchases from unusual locations, abnormal spending patterns. When suspicious activity is detected, transactions can be blocked immediately. Algorithmic trading. AI models analyze market data, news signals, and historical patterns to make automated trading decisions. This allows financial institutions to respond to market changes in milliseconds. Credit risk assessment. AI evaluates a person's creditworthiness by analyzing multiple data points, such as financial history, payment behavior, income patterns. This improves loan approval accuracy while reducing financial risk.
Number 3. Cybersecurity industry. As cyber attacks become more advanced, organizations are increasingly using AI to defend digital systems. Traditional security systems rely on known threat signatures, but AI can detect unknown or emerging attacks. Key AI applications in cybersecurity. Threat detection. AI systems monitor network traffic continuously and detect unusual activity patterns. For example, abnormal login behavior, unusual data transfers, suspicious software behavior. These anomalies may indicate cyber intrusions. Malware identification. AI can analyze millions of files and detect malicious code much faster than manual analysis. Automated incident response. When a potential attack is detected, AI systems can automatically isolate infected systems, block malicious traffic, alert security teams. This significantly reduces response time during cyber incidents.
Number 4. Manufacturing. Manufacturing companies use AI to improve efficiency, quality, and predictive maintenance. Factories today generate massive amounts of operational data through sensors and industrial equipment. AI helps transform this data into actionable insights. Key AI applications in manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. Machines often show early warning signs before failure. AI models analyze sensor data to predict when equipment might break down. This allows maintenance teams to fix problems before costly downtime occurs. Quality control. AI-powered computer vision systems inspect products on production lines. They can detect defects, incorrect assembly, product inconsistencies. This improves manufacturing quality and reduces waste. Supply chain optimization. AI analyzes supply chain data to optimize inventory management, production schedules, logistics planning. This makes manufacturing operations more efficient.
Number 5. Retail and e-commerce. Retail companies use AI to enhance customer experience, sales predictions, and personalization. Every time a customer browses or purchases online, data is generated. AI systems analyze this data to understand customer preferences. Key AI applications in retail. Recommendation systems. AI analyzes user behavior and suggests products customers are more likely to buy. This is why online stores recommend, "Customers who bought this also bought." These systems significantly increase sales conversion rates. Demand forecasting. AI predicts future demand based on seasonal patterns, customer behavior, market trends. Retailers use these predictions to manage inventory more effectively. Customer support chatbots. AI-powered chatbots provide instant support for common questions, improving customer service availability.
If you're interested in learning how generative AI is actually used inside organizations, structured courses can really help. Platforms like UCertify offer a Generative AI for Enterprise course that focuses on practical, real-world applications. Beyond the industries we discussed, AI is also rapidly expanding into several other sectors. Transportation. Autonomous driving systems use AI to interpret road conditions and make driving decisions. Education. AI-powered learning platforms personalize course recommendations and learning paths for students. Agriculture. AI helps farmers monitor crop health, predict weather patterns, and optimize irrigation systems. These emerging applications show that AI is becoming a general-purpose technology used across many fields.
Why AI adoption is growing. 3 key factors are accelerating AI adoption worldwide. 1. Explosion of data. Organizations now generate enormous datasets that require automated analysis. 2. Increased computing power. Modern cloud infrastructure enables large-scale AI training and deployment. 3. Business efficiency. AI helps companies reduce costs, improve accuracy, and automate repetitive processes. These advantages make AI investment highly attractive for many industries.
Artificial intelligence is already transforming industries like healthcare, finance, cybersecurity, manufacturing, and retail. As technology continues to evolve, understanding how AI works and where it is applied will become an essential skill for the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI, technology, and real-world industry insights. Thanks for watching.